Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2 and your topic is describe an unforgettable bike trip. It can be bike like bicycle trip. But usually people don't ride the bicycles. So if you want to talk about bike like motorbike, you can talk about that as well, right? Both ways it's fine. Now unforgettable bike trip and you need to describe that. You should say when it was, past tense. Where you went, past tense. So when it was means time. Where you went means location. What happened during the trip? You will mention what happened during that trip and how you felt about it. Okay. So try to cover all these points and speak in past tense. Right. Let's take a start.
Well, there are many trips I held in my life, and bike riding is one of the most popular means nowadays in my country. Today, I would like to talk about the trip I held at bike. My parents bought that bike for me when I was age 12. I recently at that time told to my friends, we as they were ready to go to went near village. We started our journey on the next day. Very next day we started it, and we initially at that time got some helmets, some bottles, and some this type of stuff to carry to protect ourselves. We started journey in the way we had a very amazing mountainy hilly area, and I unfortunately I got wounded at that time, but they took me to the nearest doctor as well, and after that I got some well situation, and then we started towards at home for journey, and towards the home we initially rushed to nearest shaded area so we can protect ourselves from the sunshade as well. It was a very remarkable and tremendous trip for me. I not only got some experience, it was a really very enjoyable moment of my life.
Okay, all right, that's good. You spoke for 2 minutes almost, 1 minute 51 seconds, which is perfectly fine. And most of the sentences you made, they were good English and all that. But I found few mistakes, like you said, to went. After to, we never use second form, to go. Then you said we can. It should have been we could.
We could.
But apart from these minor mistakes, overall, it was good. Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. Do people in your country often travel by bike?
Yes, people in my country likes to travel by bike. Like to travel by bike because of the congested transport means, and nowadays bike is one of the most popular means of transport. Whenever you want to travel faster, or whenever you want to go in time or in congested traffic area.
Okay, which is more convenient, bicycle or a car?
Both of them have their own specifications. Bicycle is convenient in such a situation when you want to be in time, or when you were supposed to negotiate, when you are supposed to ignore the rushy area of traffic means. And car is a very comfortable means of transport, and everyone could not able to afford that.
Okay, again, could not able, it's better to say is not able. Everyone is not able to afford that. Do you think that children should learn the skills of riding from an early age?
Yes, why not? Because children can be able to feel more confident in their own self. For example, I got my new bike when I was age 8-10, and I was very confident, and I initially at that time grew up my social circle as well, and not only that, but I also explore some new ways of
I also explored some new ways and all that. Overall answers are good in speaking, just elaborate a little more try to use some conjunctions to connect your ideas, then it will be better. At present I'll give you a 6.5, although if you overcome these minor mistakes you can easily achieve 7, right. Thank you.